$50 bill in. The reason why that is because all the bank had was $50 bills. So 10 cent denomination, $5 a spin, all free games, there's the prizes. There's Hazel. I love your shirt. Let's see the back of it. Nice. Here's what I got on. I don't know if you can see it or not. In the back. So yeah, the fucking smoking room is closed. Half the machines don't work. They're remodeling. Now I need, number wild, I need 6 dynamite or 3 more banks to trigger something. 9 more games. April Fool's Day, All Fool's Day, March or April 1st, 2025. Come on, baby. Give me something. Give me something, babe. $90. Come on, give me the dynamite. Then it would be a, what do you call it? Bonus and a bonus. Come on. Push the button. Yeah. Wouldn't mind getting a major. That's a hell of a major. I think it starts at, I want to say 500 if it's like most games. I'm 140. Come on. I don't know what the top symbol is on this game. No, they're wild. Oh, check and see. Oh, that's it. Oh no, that's lucky spin. Oh no, that was it. All right, where's the? Okay, the old guy, 250, and the donkey. The rest don't really pay anything. So, well, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go play something else. Put $50 in, just played it for a few minutes. And there it is. April 1st. Not bad. So where are we gonna go? Are ya? I was gonna show how there ain't no friggin' machines working. I can't believe we didn't know this was going on. These are all my favorite machines over here. The guy at the counter said it was going to be closed down for a week. Closed even farther. There's all my favorites. It goes this way, a long ways, and then down farther. Unbelievable. So that's something to play. Hazel. There's my favorite machine, a Colossal Diamond, out of commission. There we go. These games here aren't too bad. Alright. Put my card in. And I'm going to keep that ticket. And 1 second. Get out a couple 50s. Put the ticket away. Yeah, I went to the bank. All they had was $50 bills. Unbelievable. Didn't even have any hundreds. Alright, here we go. Okay, there we go. Turn the speed down. Max bet, $3. Now we need, these are wild. We need coins, the bonus with the coins. And you get 3 of these, and that's your bonus. But if you throw up coins like this, yeah, baby. Yeah, come on. Oh, that's a good one. That's a $3 bet. That's a max bet. What'd I win? $121? Is that right? $121.50. Nice. They're surprising. They're not very big. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. You know what you do here? When in doubt, cash it out. And I'm gonna move on to something else. Here you go. April Fool's Day, you've seen it in action. Holy Toledo. $100 in, $212.75 out. All right. Yeah, that's a shame. The machines are all down. Oh well, I'm gonna try something else. Thanks for watching.